morning, everybody. Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Tuesday, May the 11th. We are breaking Bomb Box Combo Series. It's a 2-box or 2-envelope break. Randomed up our 7 remaining envelope numbers. Got 21 and 40. Did random teams on your right this time. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. Had a few offers, but nothing going down. Gonna start with envelope number 1. It is 1 envelope, but you get 2 hits inside. Here we go. Bam! Well, we're going to be the Miami spot with the Ricky Williams. Bam! Also, that is going to be the NHL spot, folks. Sorry there, Jason, but that is Jason's first hit in a while as well there, folks. Bam! Jonas Corpusal is the hit there on the goalie mask. Again, guys, I'll grab this stuff and show you in a second. Envelope number 2. Here we go. Bam! Well, going to be the Tampa spot with the presidential signature box, the written word. Oh, sorry. Bam! Also going to be the regular horror spot, guys. That is going to be the horror spot. Well, guys, then we're going to mean our last couple envelopes there are going to be pretty damn strong, guys. Bam! Nothing in there. Let me grab that stuff for you real quick. Goalie mask. Sorry, Jason there. Jersey. Bam! Going to be the Jigsaw jersey, guys. JSA certification on that. A pretty damn cool looking jersey, if you ask me, man. But going to be the Jigsaw horror spots. JSA. New bag for that. Alright, guys, and then you got your Columbus Blue Jacket Corpusal full-size helmet on that, guys. I don't want to unwrap that if you don't mind there, bud. But it has the Fanatics hologram on it. Jonas Corpusal for the NHL spot. Alright, I gotta replace that sucker, man. The one I had a bad stain on it, guys. So that one, I'm waiting on another one, actually. Alright, but who had Miami? Well, that is going to be a hell hit on that one, Jason. I should have that before I ship next. This is going to be a Jace hit on it. All right, so who hit the horror spot? What am I missing here? Oh, right at the top. Well, it's going to be Adam. Bam. And then who had Tampa, folks? Well, Jace. Jace, it's, like I said, those are Jace's both first hits, man. Jace hasn't hit shit in a long time there, man. Jace going to take the written word. Jace, can we open that? I can ship it to you if you want it sealed, but, yep, if you'd let us open it, we'd appreciate that. Would be cool. So those are going to be our winners. Jace, let me know if we can open it. If you do want me to ship it sealed, that's no problem as well, bud. That's going to be up to you. All right, but we're going to do our qualifier real quick, guys. This is for the Marino. All right, so I'm going to pull one of Adams, one of Jason Hill's, and two of Jace's there. All right, so this is for the Marino qualifier. All right, we got a 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. 9 times. I got Pete and Mossberg on the qualifiers. That is qualifier number 37 and 38, guys. We've only got 2 more breaks before we award that, baby. Let me see what Jay said on the, All right, yep, Jay said we can open that, guys. So we're actually going to open the written word real quick here as well. See what we get on that. Hopefully we get Jace a nice hit there. Alright guys, so this here is Jace's presidential written word, folks. Hopefully we're going to get something decent for him there. Some of this stuff can go for nice money, man. Let's see what we're going to get you there, Jace. Come on, bud. Well, we're going to pull out our relic first. Well, bam, that's sort of cool. I'm not really a Democrat guy, but what the hell? That is going to be a Bill Clinton handheld relic, folks. Again, these are just like the corners of the letters that they cut up to make the cards, but you got a Bill Clinton there. That's our first Clinton item. All right, well, let's see what we're going to get you, Jace. Best of luck, bud. Bam! Well, that's going to be a James Buchanan. Wow, not a great word either. I guess it's by, B-Y. Sorry about that, Jace. Some of these are far better than others, just like other card series there, folks. But I do believe it's BY. It's a little hard to see there. It's either BY or BS. But gonna be James Buchanan, a written word, Jace. Well, I wish that was a little better card for you, at least a little better word for you as well. But a word from the president, James Buchanan, and the Bill Clinton handheld relic. That is going to wrap up that break, guys. So glad you finally hit something there, Jace. If my camera would freaking focus now. There it goes. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook, folks. You all have a wonderful night.